Hi everybody, Module 3, Lesson 14, Solving Inequalities. Students will be able to write and solve inequalities. So this is more practice, just like Lesson 13, it's word problems. We're going to write the inequality, we're going to solve it. As we're solving, we need to keep in mind if we preserve or reverse the inequality symbol. So here we go. The annual county carnival is being held this summer and will last 5.5 days. Use this information and the other given information to answer each problem. So we need to keep in mind whose perspective each problem is from. So in this one, you are the owner of the biggest and newest roller coaster called the Gentle Giant. The roller coaster costs $6 to ride. The operator of the ride must pay $200 per day for the ride rental and $65 per day for a safety inspection. Oh good, it's being checked for safety. If you want to make a profit of at least $1,000 each day, what is the minimum number of people that must ride the roller coaster? Write an inequality that can be used to find the minimum number of people, which is P, which must ride the roller coaster each day to make the daily profit. So here we go. Let's do some annotating first. 5.5 days. I don't know if I need that information in this problem. Must pay $200, so minus 200, and $65 per day. Right? So that's a per day, that's a per day. $6 to ride, so that's $6 per person. And one last piece, at least $1,000, so less than at least 1,000. So do they want to have a profit less than or greater than? They want a profit that is greater than or equal to 1,000. So let's take all that information and write our inequality. So we have minus 200 and we have minus 65. So those are expenses. And we have money coming in that is $6 per person that rides it. And all that has to be greater than or equal to $1,000. We don't have to define our variable because it tells us right there. All right, so when we solve equations, the first step that I have taught you is to distribute and combine. We know in this problem we have some combining to do. So negative 265 plus 6p is greater than or equal to $1,000. So there's a total expense each day of $265. And they want to make $1,000 or more every day. So how many people must ride for that to happen? All right, so negative 265. Actually, how about you pause the video and try to solve this yourself? So did you find out that P is greater than or equal to 210 and 5/6? But P is people. So can we have 5/6 of a person? Depends on what that roller coaster does, right? All right, so we need 211 or more people each day. If there's only 210 people that ride, we're not going to make that $1,000 profit. We need that 211th person. Okay, so if you have any questions about what I did, why did I preserve the inequality symbol? The coefficient was positive. So the coefficient was positive, that means preserve. Positive, preserve. All right, let's move on to example 2. The carnival owner pays the owner of an exotic animal exhibit $650 for the entire time the exhibit is displayed. The owner of the exhibit has no other expenses except for a daily insurance cost. If the owner of the animal exhibit wants to make more than $500 in profits for the 5.5 days, what is the greatest daily insurance rate he can afford to pay? So we're talking about the owner of the animal exhibit. So the carnival owner pays the exotic animal exhibit $650. So that's going to be a positive because we're talking about if the owner of the animal exhibit. That's the perspective. So that's money coming in. Money going out is 5.5 per day. Oh, that's 5.5 days. 5.5 days of insurance goes out the door. That's money that's spent. So we're going to say let I be daily insurance, because that's what we're trying to find. Read it again. That is what is the greatest daily insurance rate he can afford to pay. So let I be the daily insurance. 650 is money coming in to the animal exhibit owner. Money going out is 5.5. 5.5 is 5.5. I. 5.5 days times the daily rate of insurance. And make no more. He wants to make more than. He wants more than 500, right? He wants more than 500. So read the story again and make sure you understand my inequality. 650 minus 5.5 per daily rate of insurance is greater than 500. Pause the video and try to solve this. How'd you do? Did you get that the rate must be less than 27.27 each day? Think about did you reverse the inequality symbol? I hope so, because think about what the answer means. If you did not reverse it, you would have said that you want them to pay more than 27.27 each day. And that wouldn't have given them the profit of 500. So when the coefficient is negative, you need to make sure to reverse. And I did it right here, right? Look at how it suddenly reversed at the very end. Okay. That's the last problem we're going to do in the video. Make sure that you read through these again, look at what you need to look at, and ask questions in class. I will see you then. Bye.